Hello and welcome to my new video. Today I'm filming in the Poppy Factory, owned by the Poppyscotland charity that is taking care of our veterans. Stay with me and let's explore this beautiful place. Red poppy. Such a simple flower, yet it carries a world of meaning. It's a symbol of remembrance and hope, born from the devastation of First World War. On the battlefields of Flanders, these resilient flowers were some of the first signs of life, growing amidst the destruction. Lieutenant Colonel John McCrae immortalized this in his famous poem In Flanders Fields, sparking a movement that turned the poppy into a global emblem of remembrance. In Scotland, this symbol found its roots through the dedication of Earl Haig and his remarkable wife, Lady Dorothy. After the war, Earl Haig was determined to support veterans and their families, but it was Dorothy who brought a uniquely compassionate touch to their efforts. Together, in 1921, they launched the first poppy appeal and factory here in Edinburgh's Canongate. Poppies weren't just symbols. They were a way to provide a practical help. Veterans, many having a PTSD, many struggling to find work, were employed to handcraft these flowers, giving them purpose and dignity. Dorothy's drive and empathy ensured that every poppy sold would not only honor the fallen, but directly help the living.
My name's Gordon Mickey. I'm Head of Fundraising and Learning here at Poppyscotland. Poppyscotland, what do we do today in the 21st century? Well, by the annual Scottish Poppy Appeal or other fundraising, the work that we carry on every day here in the Lady Haig Poppy Factory, we ensure that we've got relevant funds to support those members of the armed forces community in Scotland with any challenges that they may have from service or not from service. We provide life-changing support to them through the work given out by our welfare teams. This support could not be conducted without our army of volunteers and the generosity of the wider Scottish public. The Lady Haig Poppy Factory was founded here in Edinburgh in 1926, firstly on the Royal Mile down at the Canongate, which is now the Scottish Veterans Residences that to this day still support veterans in need. We moved to our present premises here in Warriston in the 1960s, and since that time we've continued to provide supported employment for disabled veterans from all three services. And over the years, what they make and deliver has changed. In the 40s and the 50s, we did a lot of toys. We made picture frames. But Today in 2024-2025, we mainly focus on delivering all the accoutrements for the annual Scottish Poppy Appeal. So we produce nearly 50,000 wreaths every year for our sister organisation, the Royal British Legion, and for Poppyscotland to deliver around the country during November time. We also produce in excess of 2 million poppies. They're now the plastic-free poppy that we produce by hand and by machine to ensure that everyone in the country has the opportunity to ensure that they can remember those who made the ultimate sacrifice from the Great War, 1914 to 1918, and every single conflict to this day. I would like to extend an open invite to everyone to come and visit the Lady Haig's Poppy Factory here in Edinburgh. We do tours Monday to Thursday, twice a day. The tours are led by one or two of our fantastic disabled veterans, and we're able to explain the story of Remembrance in the UK. We're able to explain the story of how we help the armed forces community here in Scotland. The tours are free. They last about an hour, so please come along Monday to Thursday, 10 o'clock or 1:30. We very much look forward to welcoming you to the Lady Haig's Poppy Factory.